Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your first time here. Nice to meet you. My name is Valentina. On today's video, we're going to be unboxing BoxyCharm for the month of April. I know you guys probably have seen this in my Instagram already. If you do follow me over there, I did a tutorial featuring a lot of the products that I received this month on this box, but I decided to kind of carry it over here to YouTube and show you guys what I received this month. Love to do unboxings on this channel, so I decided why not. I'm going to share it with my subscribers here because I know some of you guys don't follow me on Instagram. So let's just get started. As usual, don't forget me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, make sure you comment down below. You guys know that it does help my channel grow. It does help this video to reach more people, so you know that's what we're doing here. All right, let me just stop rambling and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I saw when I opened the box was this little palette. This is by Pure Cosmetics. This is a festival palette. I did do a tutorial already on Instagram with this palette, so check my Instagram. I'll put one of the pictures here so you guys can see the look that I created. Completely different shades of the one that I have today. You guys know that I love to do these videos and share with you guys how the products work on my skin. I do have everything that came in this box on my face right now, but I will talk a little bit about them. Some of them are first impressions, some of them I've used a few times, this one being the one that I used a few times. So this is what it looks like inside. You guys know that we're like right in the middle of like the whole fever of Coachella and Ultra Festival. So this is the festival palette. It comes with two kind of glitters. I don't know, they're kind of a weird texture. Some warm colors or super bright colors. Obviously the shimmers up here, like the foily shadows, and then some mattes down here. I do have to give you guys a few, since I did get to play with this palette quite a few times. I want to give you guys kind of my insight on the palette. Wait, I didn't even mention how much is the subscription. For those of you that don't know, BoxyCharm is $21 a month and you get 5 products for $21. Okay, let me go back to the palette. So these shimmers do tend to crease on me. I do think that they're really good for festival season because they do tend to attach to your skin very nicely. They're super pigmented. I can show you guys real quick here. They do attach to the skin, but for some reason, I don't know if you guys can tell, they do spread out and they do tend to kind of go into your little creases. So keep that in mind. You don't want to put a super thick layer of this too on your eyelid because you are going to get a little bit of creasing. You can also use this on your face to kind of highlight if you want to do that funky festival look. I do think that they're good for that, but I don't know if they're, as crease proof as like a glitter or even the Stila shadows that don't crease. So keep that in mind. Love these two colors. I already used them in my other tutorial. Pigmentation is amazing. Use this ones today. Unfortunately, these don't layer very well on my eyelids, so I kind of had to play around with it and make them work. Not crazy about this formula for these mattes here. These look beautiful on the eyes, so I don't know, I think for $21 it's a good palette. This is my first Pure palette, so wasn't too crazy about the mattes, but overall I think it's a good palette. So happy to have received this. This is the first thing that I opened and I was super excited because I am a sucker for palettes. So yeah, this is the first item. Second item I received was this little 3 brush set by Luxie. If you guys are familiar with Luxie, Luxie has amazing quality brushes. This is a larger shader, a small shader, and a small contouring brush. They're super dirty because I've used them. Some of them I use for this tutorial, and then some of them I use for the other tutorial that I've been mentioning that I did for Instagram. These are the 3 brushes. They feel really sturdy, and this is I think my second Luxie set, like small set. Of course, I don't have the little card to tell you guys exactly how much they are because it's not an unboxing video, a BoxyCharm unboxing video of Valentina's channel if I just have that thing. I always lose it before I get to show it to you guys. But this is what they look like. Super sturdy, very happy with them. Super dirty right now, but I'm really excited to have received this. You guys know brushes tend to be extra expensive or super expensive, and it's always nice when you receive some in this type of boxes because you get a deal, Oh my god, I'm such a nerd today. I don't know what's going on. Moving on to the eyes, I also received this eye pencil. This is the Bodyography Bali Bronze little eye pencil. Not as soft as I would like it to be, but I do like the shade. I think it's nice. We'll probably use this all over the lid. I don't think that I could use this as a liner. I don't think it will show up in my skin tone. I think if I was a little bit lighter, I could use it as a liner, but I think this will probably look really good all over the lid. Yeah, I wish it was a little bit softer because I don't want to put anything that tugs my eye on my eye. But I do think the pigmentation is nice and the color is really, really nice. So happy to receive this to add to my collection. All right, another thing that I received was this Appeal gloss. This is a holographic lip gloss. This is the one that I have on my lips right now. Love glosses. I'm not crazy about holographic glosses, but I do like this one because I think I could be able to layer it over my nude lipsticks and make my lips pop and look more juicy during the spring and summer season. Love the consistency. It's not like one of those thick lip glosses that make you feel like your lips are greasy or you just have too much product on your lips. You know, in order for you to like shine, you have to apply like a few layers. No, this is just 1 or 2 layers and this is the result that you get. So super happy. First time I hear about Appeal Beauty. I'll probably have to look into them, but I love that I received this as a full size and I love adding lip glosses to my collection. So happy to receive this one. And the last thing I received was this highlighter by Artist Couture. If you guys don't know, Artist Couture is owned by a YouTuber. His name is Mac Daddy. I don't really follow him that closely, but I do know that he makes bomb highlighters. And this is one of his loose highlighters. This is the Purple Dream. This is the one that I have on my skin right now. I usually don't go for this type of highlighters because I think they don't complement my skin very well. I probably use this as a blush topper, if anything. But I think for festival season, these are so fun. The name of this one is Purple Dream. I think I already told you guys. But I think it looks stunning on the skin. I can probably add a little bit more to show you guys how much glow this thing has. It's insane. Oh, where'd my brush go? I'm going to show you guys real fast. Oh, right here. So yeah, I'm going to just kind of dip it in here, which is weird because it looks kind of yellow on the packaging. But once you put it on, it has this little sheen. So super happy to have received this. I'm actually curious. I kind of want to purchase some of his gold highlighters now because this is the first product that I had by his line. And look, this looks amazing. So what do you guys think? Let me know down below. I think it looks pretty good. And that completes my unboxing for today. I hope you guys like it. Let me know down below if you do want to see more of these videos here in the channel. If you're curious to see what I receive on my BoxyCharms every month, I'll be more than happy to continue to record these videos for you guys. Any type of feedback, love to hear from you guys. I'll see you guys on my next one. Big kisses. Bye.